Hey everyone, let's solve this problem. Okay, this problem was asked in 2022 from the from analog circuit, right? And this problem was very easy because you have to find the minimum. You have to find the ratio of minimum small signal gain upon the maximum small signal gain, and there is only diode and resistance. Okay, so only two things you have to keep in mind: when diode will be on, when diode will be off. So let's read the question first. This question can be done within 10 to 15 seconds. So simple circuit and the characteristic they have given. Simple circuit means simple circuit, right? A circuit and the diode D is shown below here, and the ratio of minimum to maximum small signal gain, that is dV out upon dV in, is rounded off to two decimal places, right? So what you have to find out is dV out upon dV in, that is minimum, upon dV out upon dV min maximum. So here you can see that they have also given the diode, okay, diode voltage. When diode voltage is 0 here, right, so current is also 0, right, you can see. Or you can say when diode voltage when the voltage across the diode is less than 0.7, so your diode is we having like a open circuit because the current is 0. You can say this is piecewise characteristic they have given. In this piece, in this segment, the current is going to be 0. Your diode will be have like a open circuit. And if diode is greater than 0.7, so there is a huge current, or you can say diode behaves like a short circuit. So, or as far as small signal voltage gain is concerned, you can replace this diode with the help of resistance as well. Okay, if diode current is 0, it means that you can you can replace this diode with the help of open circuit, or you can say infinite resistance. Okay, and if the diode is we having or working in the forward bias, so you can replace this diode with the help of AC equivalent. That is going to be what the little changes in voltage and little change in current, you can say that is 0 only. Why? Okay, there is a slope. Okay, slope is here, the infinite slope is there, and the reciprocal of slope is going to be giving you the resistance. So it means that the diode can be replaced by short circuit, right? Okay, so there are two cases you have to consider. Huh? We know also as well that in case of ideal characteristic, if you know the diode is, if the voltage across diode is greater than 0, so you can say the diode is on. This is forward bias, and diode can be replaced by what? Short circuit. If the diode is off, it means that the voltage is less than 0 or current is 0. ID is going to be 0 here, and you can replace the diode with the help of open circuit. These are two things which you have to keep in mind, okay, for the ideal diode. Open circuit in this segment. Okay, here we have considered to make the diode conduct, you need only 0 volt, but in the question they have given what? They have given 0.7. So this this is simple diode, but they have given what? Diode plus the battery 0.7. So to make the diode conduct, you need at least 0.7 to connect in the input, so that your diode would have like a short or open. That's it. But in case of, as you are trying to find the small signal gain, so your gain will not depend upon this 0.7. Okay, this 0.7 will not affect your gain. Okay, your gain will be depending upon the resistances only, the ratio of resistances. Okay, as we have already done in case of bipolar junction transistor or BJT or MOSFET. Okay, so let me take the question back, okay, and let me draw. Okay, so when suppose case one, when diode is not conducting, right? So you can take here, this is the resistance, okay, and fortunately all resistances are same, that is 2k ohm, 2k ohm, right? And you can see here when diode will not conduct, okay, suppose this is V in, right? And you have to find the voltage across this V out. So you can add these two resistances. So 4 ohm will be there, okay, 4 kilo ohm, and you can apply by voltage division, right? By voltage division, easily you can find out the V out and take the ratio. V out is going to be what? V out is going to be 4k times V in upon 6. It will be 2 by 3 V out upon V in, or you can say 0.66. Okay, when diode VD is less than 0.7, okay, when diode is less than voltage across the diode is less than 0.7, you can see the characteristic they have given. When diode voltage is less than 0.7, okay, so the current is going to be 0. You can replace it by open circuit, or you can say you can replace it by infinite resistance, because these slopes is going to determine the resistance, okay, from this IV characteristic. And the reciprocal of slope will be what? The resistance, okay, in forward bias or reverse bias. And 0.7 is not going to impact your small signal gain. Keep in mind, so don't worry about 0.7. Now the case 2 is going to be what? Case 2, when your VD is greater than 0.7, it means that diode can be replaced by short circuit, 0 volt, or zero resistance short circuit, right? So what we can do here is we can again draw this in, and this is 2k, this is 2k, this is. Let's see where diode is connected in the circuit. Earlier it was connected here, right? Now diode is connected from here to here, right? Across 2 kilo ohm, across 2 kilo ohm, so no problem. Earlier it was here, so I made it open, no problem. But now you have to, put the short circuit across this. Now 2k ohm is gone, right? So this 2k ohm you can neglect, and this will be overall resistance will be short circuited, right? So this is basically 2k and 2k and 2k. This is V in, and you are trying to calculate V out here now. Now your V out is going to be what? V out upon V in from the voltage division will be 1 by 2, because both resistances are same. So by voltage division it will be 1 by 2. This will be 0.5. So which one is greater? Okay, so this will be equal to maximum. Okay, this voltage gain will be maximum because no, this will be minimum because this is 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5, so it will be minimum. And here you can see this is 0.66, so it is maximum. To take the ratio, that's it, answer. Minimum upon maximum, that is 1 by 2 upon 2 by 3. So this is what? 1 by 2 upon 2 by 3. You can take this 3 up. Okay, so 3 by 4, 0.75. So this question can be done within within 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, just to explain you, I have taken this much time, otherwise it is very easy, right? So your small signal gain is depending upon your dynamics, is dependent upon what? These resistances, right? Don't worry about this 0.7 and all. If okay, after all, this is an ideal diode. So this ideal diode can be replaced by short circuit or open circuit depending upon the resistances or depending upon the status of the diode. I hope this solution is understood. Okay, this kind of a question anyone can do from analog circuit within less amount of time, so that you can save more time for communication system. In fact, I will also help you to solve communication system within less amount of time and devices and everything. Okay, so let's catch up with the next question. Thank you.